Hi everybody. Hope you're all good. I miss you all, but hopefully I'll get to see you soon. I'm just going to read you a little story about Valentine's Day. I actually didn't know why February the 14th was called Valentine's Day. So I thought this story is really interesting and I hope you find it interesting too. So, the story of Saint Valentine. Saint Valentine was a priest who lived a long, long time ago in Rome. And Rome is the capital of Italy. At the time, Rome was ruled by an emperor called Claudius. Claudius was angry because nobody wanted to join his army. All of the men wanted to stay at home with their wives and children. Claudius said that nobody could get married. He thought that this way the men would have no families and then they would come and join his army. A kind priest named Valentine helped the men by letting them marry their sweethearts in secret. When Emperor Claudius found out about this, he was very angry. He sent his soldiers to arrest Valentine and throw him into prison. While he was in prison, Valentine began to teach the blind daughter of his jailer. She was called Julia. Julia and Valentine became great friends, and Valentine cured Julia's blindness with a miracle. On the day that Valentine died, he wrote a letter to Julia and signed it from your Valentine. The story says that Valentine died on February 14th. Now, every year on this date, people send cards to their loved ones. It is called Valentine's Day. Cards are often signed with your Valentine or a question mark so that the person has to guess who the sender is. So maybe you might make a Valentine's card for somebody you love. Maybe somebody in your family, and give it to them as a surprise on Valentine's Day, which is Sunday this year. And Lily told us that her sister's birthday is on Valentine's Day, and that's really interesting too. It's a very special day to have a birthday. So happy birthday, Jessica. And we've lots of exciting things coming up. Next Tuesday is Pancake Tuesday. So lots of nice special days. I can't wait because I love pancakes and my favorite topping is lemon and sugar. Delicious. I can't wait to hear about yours when you come back to school. I hope everybody has a lovely weekend and a lovely week off for midterm. And well done on all the work you've done. You're all super. See you soon. Bye.